Yeah, so complex data, right?
Interesting topic.
Yeah. So, Tomasz, today, big complex projects require different tools which produce different file formats,
Yes.
right? Here, by saying that I mean, for example, laser scan data or BIM data like IFC files or Open BIM standards. How can we approach such topic with ACC, with Autodesk Construction Cloud?
Well, ACC can host different file formats, and if I say hosting, it means storing. But we have many file formats which we can visualize and we can work with directly in ACC, which includes, by the way, laser scans, IFC, obviously DVG, DGN files, 2D, 3D, and so on and so forth.
And we can visualize all of them in the
and
browser.
in the browser, and it can be to benefits of all stakeholders.
Yeah. Great. So, from my experience, I know our customers are often working with very large files, right? Is there anything they should be aware with when working with ACC?
Okay. Yes. We are not limiting our customers on the project sizes, so basically they can store as many data as they wish. However, a user should be aware that there is a limitation of one single file which cannot exceed 5 terabytes.
Oh, that's huge. That's difficult to reach probably. Now, let's imagine I'm working with many projects at the same time, right? Not one single project, but many different projects at the same time. And I have to regularly share the data with, for example, with investors, right? Is there any, I know that, it can be very tedious work, right?
Copying fast.
Yeah, exactly. Risk of making mistakes and so, right? So is there any automation of such process within ACC?
Yes, you can automate this process, and maybe I would like to visualize what you can achieve, because of course you are working on some project, and in one stage, in one point of project development, you want to share the data, which has to be first approved, which means you are working as a designer on the data, then your manager can approve the data, and then these approved data can be copied over using what we call bridge functionality to investors' project. So basically, you are keeping your data, your entire development of the project and history in your project, and then you are sending to investor only approved data which he can access. And of course, then he can also keep the version, because it's milestones which are developing.
So it happens not only on one account, but also on between different companies.
Yes, different companies, because you have your own account as a company, you have your own projects, and investor has his account and his projects. Because of course, he can be also responsible for different projects, and you are not the only project.
Makes sense.
Your contractor.
And it can really automatize the process.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for that.
Pleasure.